All right, I have a good news for you. One of the exams is 100% free. So if we go here in the like LinkedIn page, so CNSP by SecOps Group is providing for the first 1,000 users only, and the details will be published on 19th November. So I'm giving a heads up because the date hasn't started. You got to be hurry up first so that you don't miss an offer. Till that time, we still got 80% discount. If you navigate here, so here we got the 80% pen testing on exam. We got to click on buy now. So here we got all the list of exams. In all these, if you look, there are tons of exam here. All these are 80% as of now free, but one of them will be 100% free for first 1,000, that is CNSP. That is the entry level, 100% for the first 1,000. If we read here, right, for the first time, and it is limited time, you got to hurry up. I've given you the heads up, so please share this video with your friends. But till that time, let's enjoy the 80% discount. So let's say I want to enroll in some let's say the first one, yeah, AppSec or something which looks cool. Let's enroll in any one of them, like the blockchain practitioner. I'll add to cart maybe. So here we can see the cart here. So we can add multiple exams as well, but anyhow 80% will be added. So here you got to apply the code. It's already flashing here. I just copied it and I'll apply the coupon. Please note the price, what it is now and what it will become. I'll click apply coupon, and there we go. Coupon applied successfully, and we will just need to pay just 24 pounds, so which is too less, right? We it's will be like getting the certification for 80% off. So as mentioned, please keep an eye for the first 1,000 users only. The CNSP will be 100% free. So that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues quickly, so that it can help them in terms of cybersecurity and to enhance their knowledge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit, or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize